These ones this morning. Hi, yeah, I only got these 2 cars this morning. Look at these ones. These are exciting, aren't they? Look at this, yellow cab. What do you reckon? It says foreign in very small letters in a very difficult place to see. Friction Drive has this interesting sign on the back. It says always do what you should do, you know. Always, oh, I don't know, I can't see it, mate. Yeah, the motor doesn't work too good on this one. It's got rear wheel drive, friction drive. I'm going to have to take it to bits. Or am I? I don't know. Always be careful crossing streets, it says. This one. Yeah. So there's that. And then we have this other one. Which, these were super cheap, these two. This one here. This one has front wheel drive. The big fins on the back reminds me of a Plymouth Plaza. They had big fins like that, didn't they? This one has front wheel drive. It has a working motor, but I bet it could be made better. I'm going to have to take it to bits anyway because the inside is all dusty and horrible, and it needs a good clean up, doesn't it? See, I'll show you them as I get them. But this says made in China on the back license plate, and there's Chinese characters on there as well. Yeah, so there's that. But I thought it was great. And these were super cheap. The two of them together, 10 quid. I can't miss it, can I? Not really. Not really. So, thanks for everyone. I'll show you them again when they're fixed. Okay? Bye!